This week has been all about big releases from DeepSeek and Qwen family, but what if you want to run them on standard laptops? That's where this DeepSeek V4 Pro and Qwen 4B MTP comes in, which brings top-tier math and scientific reasoning into a tiny 4GB memory footprint. Today I'm going to be downloading this engine in my own local system and building my own complex math solver, which can help me understand step-by-step derivation of the problem and also emits a final verified numerical answer. If you are new to the channel, welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local AI free tools and models and build practical AI projects with them. And today's focus is a 4 billion parameter distilled model, which is small enough to run on consumer hardware, but scores really good in real logical and scientific problems. And if you look at benchmark numbers of this model, on standard basic math test, it is scoring 91%, which is unheard for such a tiny model. And it does not just stop at the basic school math. When tested on professional and complex mathematical problems, it shines by solving over 400 advanced questions, and the performance spreads across other scientific subjects as well, as it can handle physics and chemistry with really good accuracy, making it a perfect homework helper for all the students. The best part is how it can run on your machine. It uses a special compressed formats for everyday laptops, so you do not need any fancy graphic card to run this. Now, before understanding how this model was actually built, I'm going to be downloading this in my own system. So if you go to their official place, there are different quantizations available. So according to your graphic card memory, you can go for the particular quantization. Let's say if you have 2 to 3 GB of VRAM, you can go for the 2-bit quantization. And all of the model weights are compressed into one single GGUF file, which you can directly download by clicking on this button. Now, while the model is downloading, let us look at the key architecture of this model. First, the creator used a much larger, smarter model as a teacher, taking the latest V4 Pro version from the DeepSeek family. So the teacher actually passes all of the knowledge to the smaller student model. It basically generates all the high quality problems by giving them a step-by-step answer. So it shows the smaller model how to think logically for a given problem. And then they feed the smaller tiny model over 200,000 examples, which comprise of complex mathematical and scientific data. So this teaches how the tiny model will break down the bigger complex problems. And to make the training really fast, they use the optimization tools from the Unsloth family and fine-tune the 4B model from the Qwen family to carefully hold all of the knowledge given by the teacher model. So whenever you ask this whole engine a simple question, it thinks really fast as it predicts multiple tokens at once using the multi-token prediction draft execution, which makes the final prediction really fast as the smaller drafter model predicts 2 tokens at once. So the base model is already aware of all the best candidates for the next word to be generated. So the overall workflow of the pipeline is really simple. It takes your prompt and breaks it down into smaller steps. Then it drafts the answer and finally verify it against the formal proof. So now the GGUF file is downloaded in my system and I have kept it in this subfolder of models, which will be used by the main engine of our mathematical problems. So to test the whole pipeline, I'm going to give it 3 different problems. First is a grade school mathematical problem, where it just has to identify the discounts on orders and calculate the final cost basis the input cost and discounts. And I'm defining the expected answer as well, so later on in the code, I can check the output that is given from the model. Second problem is a physics kinematics problem, which is like a 12th grade or a competitive exam level, where it has to use the Newton's kinematic equations and solve a rocket launch problem. And the third problem is a benchmark chemistry stoichiometry problem, where basis a given chemical equation and the weights of all the inputs given, it has to identify what would be the final carbon dioxide produced. So our mathematical engine has to solve all of these 3 problems and then verify the output using this expected answer. To query your model, I'm going to be using the Ulama engine and giving all of the 3 question prompts to the given model name. So our input prompt to the model is that you are this DeepSeek V4 Pro Qwen 3.5 4B reasoning engine. Then this is the category and the given question text. Then in the main pipeline, I'm going to be loading the GGUF model. Then for all of my scientific problems, I'm going to be running them one by one. Then save the input category and the text of the given question, and what is the expected answer, and the solution given by our reasoning engine. And all of these results along with some subtitles will be saved to an outputs.markdown file. So these kind of markdown files you can easily open in a visual format, upload them into a website or GitHub, or even pass them on to the other AI tools. Now to run this whole pipeline, we first need to register this model in the Ulama directory. So I'm going to be using a user chat template, which is recommended with these small tiny models so they can understand the user input correctly. And I'm going to give the system instructions that it is a reasoning focused model distilled from the DeepSeek V4 Pro in the maxed effect mode, and it has to perform step-by-step mathematical and STEM problem decomposition while giving all the explicit derivation that it is taking to solve the problem. And to explicitly tell it that the user prompt has finished here, I'm going to be using the tags, which indicates that the message has ended. And the temperature I'm keeping close to 0 because we want deterministic answer and all the steps that the model is taking without the model going into any creative pathways. So you just need to keep all of these tags in a custom model file in the same directory. And to use this model file, you just need to run an Ollama create query and register the model using any custom model name. So I'll just copy this query, go to the terminal and paste it here. So now the model has registered in Ollama. To run the whole project, you just need to now call python main.py and press enter. Now while the model is generating the response, let us look at the key benchmark numbers and how it fares against the much larger models in the same family. In the 4 billion parameter category, it is the absolute winner as it easily beats out all the other models that are just as small, proving that size is nothing anymore in the AI world. And even in physics and chemistry, it is scoring 74 to 75%, which is although lesser but still competitive as these other models are 9 billion and 27 billion parameter big. So if you are in a memory crunch and can just run some smaller models, this 4 billion parameter model is perfect if you want to solve some scientific problems. And there are some multiple options to download this model in your system, as the primary recommended file is just 2 GB big, which requires around 5 GB of memory to run smoothly, and it can memorize 32,000 tokens in your context window, so it can remember a large amount of text which is there in your conversation. And you can also go for the 8-bit and 4-bit quantizations, which will have higher accuracy and the context window, but the memory requirement will also just double. So now I can see that the outputs are ready from the model. It had taken around 500 seconds to give the full execution, so less than 10 minutes to solve all of these 3 problems. So for the first problem, it has given the step-by-step mathematical derivation, that these were the number of textbooks, this was the price per textbook, so this was the total cost before discount. Then it has applied the discount, calculated the final discounted cost, added the shipping cost to it, and the final answer is 5350, which is matching perfectly with the expected solution. So the total time taken to solve this problem is around 2 minutes, which is okay enough considering that this is running entirely local. And the second problem was the physics kinematics problem, where it had to apply the different kinematics equations. So it has identified the correct equation v square is u square plus 2ah, then applied all the mathematical calculations and given the final answer as 735 meter, which is again correct with the expected solution. And finally we have the chemistry equation problem, where it has again calculated all the different masses and gave the final answer as 264 grams, which again matches with the expected solution. So for the physics kinematic problem, it took the most time, which is around 5 minutes, considering that it had to do multiple derivation and also have to identify the correct equation. But other problems of mathematics and chemistry were solved in less than 2 minutes. So it is able to identify and correctly solve all of my given questions. But before you jump in, you have to take care of the public verdict on this model. The most important thing is that this model is highly specialized for a very specific job, which is to solve the complex math, scientific, technology, engineering, mathematical problems. So you can't use it for a general chat assistant or you want to solve any coding or tool use problems. And because it is so tiny, it has some natural limits as well, as it falls slightly behind the bigger 9 billion parameter version, especially when dealing with deep physics and chemistry problems. But still, this model is really perfect if you want local efficiency, as it pairs a brilliant reasoning model with a very fast text engine while keeping the overall file size under 5 GB. So you can easily use this model in multiple use cases, like if you want to solve some grade school and complex math solver, want an AI to do your multi-step physics derivations, solve your chemical equations and the stoichiometry balancing, and even build codes in LaTeX to do the mathematical solutions. And everything is optimized for a compact local deployment with the speculative MTP acceleration giving you ultra-fast local decoding. So that was it for this demo of the DeepSeek V4 Pro Qwen 4B model, which is an absolute game changer for running high-level mathematical and scientific logical problems on your own local computer. As usual, all the code files and the README file with installation steps will be available in GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can directly copy them and get started with this model and project. Let me know in comments if you want me to cover more such local AI projects, and follow the channel for more AI builds, updates and workflows.